Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to put your iPhone into recovery mode on iOS 27. iOS 27 has a new recovery mode, and it can be entered pretty easily, but it's only available on iOS 27. For now, iOS 27 wasn't officially released, so if you haven't purposely installed a beta update, then you don't have it unless it's September 2026 as you're watching this video, because then that iOS 27 will be officially released and you will be able to install it without installing a beta version on purpose. Now, to enter it, you'll need to turn your phone off, so press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons. Then slide to power off. And now wait at least half a minute to make sure your phone is fully off. After half a minute, you can start by pressing and holding on the power button. Now, hold for a little longer than you typically would, and you'll see continue holding for recovery. So continue. When the text changes to loading recovery options, you can now release the button and wait until it gets into them. It'll take a minute or two. And after a minute or two, this is what shows up. This is your new recovery mode. You'll have 4 or 5 options. The fifth one that I don't see on my screen is, I think, available just on the newer iPhones. That's a 12, but I've seen it on 17 Pro. It's update software option, which is great also, but unfortunately I cannot record a video on it currently. There's 4 options that I've recorded videos on, so feel free to check them out on our channel. But yeah, the 5th option I will record the video on in September. So yeah, feel free to check it out. It's in September then, but the other ones you can learn about today. And to leave the mode, you can simply click on the power button in the top right corner, then click on restart and wait until your phone boots into the system. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.